garden equipment that you will want to buy. Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we will show you 14 amazing garden equipments that will surprise you. Let's dive in. Number 14. Gopher Hawk. For those tired of dealing with moles and gophers on their property, here's a solution that's simple, fast, and humane. No need for a shovel. Just locate one of the burrow openings with a probe and then insert mistake with a built-in trap. A yellow indicator will confirm that the trap has been activated. Regardless of which direction the pest enters from the trap will effectively catch them, leaving no chance for escape. So you just need to remove the trap. The borrower is located easily, usually within 15 to 25 centimeters of the distinctive piles. The manufacturer is assured that this trap is the top choice for both professionals and homeowners, and it comes at a modest price of $39. Number 13. Gardena Micro Drip. Are your cucumbers, tomatoes, and other crops failing to grow to their full potential? The company gardener suggests that it might be due to insufficient water. That's where this drip irrigation system comes in handy. It seamlessly integrates with other gardener products such as the irrigation controller and can be easily installed and expanded using a special wrench. With precision irrigation that minimizes water waste, the system can be set up both above and below the ground. And since all components are available separately, there are no additional costs. That's German practicality at its finest. Number 12. Wire Tightener plus Drash Panner. In 2020, the European Union had over 9 million farms. Just imagine the vastness of that area and the tremendous effort required to keep everything running smoothly. Every little detail matters, and even affordable tools like these can greatly simplify the lives of farmers. This wire tightness serves various purposes such as marking plots, preparing fence netting, and installing a wire trellis for grapevines, among other useful tasks. Made from a classic combination of aluminum and steel, you can easily find models that can handle wire diameters are up to 4 millimeters for as little as $4. They are manufactured worldwide, with options available even from New Zealand. Number 11. Aqua Joe Age A2s. Books that are simpler alternatives, like this timer priced at $44, that eliminates the need for smartphone or cloud interaction. It operates on 2 double-A batteries and offers a convenient 7-day watering schedule, with 2 separately configurable zones and up to an hour per watering cycle. It's suitable for both lawns and beds, is really easy to set up thanks to the 13 built-in watering programs and the built-in screen that provides all the necessary information. Number 10. Editing. The trend towards smart technology is extended to the gardening markets as well. These sensors track various parameters such as temperature, light, and soil conditions and send the data as it were corresponding app. Users not only receive raw data, but also specific recommendations on planting and fertilizers. The app also features a weather-aware irrigation controller. Both components of the smart garden are powered by solar panels and operate through the cloud. A comprehensive plant database is available. These sensors and controllers were developed in collaboration with the Fuse project team, renowned for their outstanding work, which allowed them to win over 50 awards from the Industrial Designers Society of America. The sensors and controllers proved to be a huge success, raising over $384,000 through a Kickstarter campaign at a price of $120 per unit. Number 9. Ego Misting Fan. What makes this fan great? Well, first of all, it blows water mist to cool an area of up to 50 square meters, making it suitable for country houses and outdoor cafes alike. Secondly, it offers an impressive 60 hours of operation on a single charge. And thirdly, it operates quietly at around 42 decibels, similar to the sound of an air conditioner or refrigerator. Additionally, the manufacturer has claimed that it's the most powerful wireless model on the market with an airflow speed of up to 32 kilometers per hour. With its protocol design featuring wheels and a handle, you can easily take this fan with you to the beach or a party. Number 8. Bypass Tree Lopper. Let's stay in Germany, where a local company is offering a lopper that's worth mentioning. This tool can reach branches up to 5.5 meters high from the ground, and its cutting angle is adjustable to 225 degrees. Thanks to its cutting head, it cuts branches up to 32 millimeters in diameter without causing damage to neighboring branches. With its eye-catching body, it remains visible even in dense foliage. Weighing just 3 kilograms and equipped with a non-slip handle and ensures a reliable grip, even on hot summer days. However, it comes with a price tag of $273. Do you think it's fair considering the 10-year warranty? Number 7. Sulfico Pot. Each year, over 90,000 tons of petroleum-based plant pots end up in landfills worldwide. So why not make the switch to pots that don't require disposal? These pots not only aid in root nutrition, but also decompose naturally, as they're made from coffee chaff, worm castings, and similar components. After planting, these pots maintain their shape for approximately 6 months, making them ideal for seedlings. Plus, caring for them is a breeze. No additional fertilizer needed, just regular watering. The effectiveness of these pots has been evaluated by experts from Iowa State University of Science and Technology, and you can test them out yourself with a couple of pots available for $15. Number 6. Roam Wild Multi-Digger Weeder. Having dealt with moles and gophers, let's move on to fighting stubborn weeds with this affordable $50 tool. It may seem straight out of a horror movie featuring a hole with a serrated edge and a roof cutter ready to launch a psychological attack on those pesky plants, or to help you cut twigs effortlessly. Weighing in at just 2 kilograms, it's lighter than most similar tools and perfectly balanced, reducing strain on your arms and back. With his jewel grips, you'll enjoy a secure hold, giving your wrists a comfortable experience. This tool guarantees reliability tackling, weeding, removing roots, loosening soil, and cleaning up season after season even in harsh conditions. Number 5. Gardena Zoomax. Let's take a look at the state of the gym and agricultural industry. A local farmer can provide food for 142 people, and the country consistently ranks among the top 3 milk producers in the EU. One of Germany's strengths lies in the mechanization and automation of various processes, even extending to the gardening gear market. Take for instance this seemingly simple sprinkler, but it's actually part of a sophisticated irrigation system, equipped with advanced features like multiple connected units, a removable filter, and infinitely adjustable watering options. This sprinkler is designed for square and rectangular areas up to 140 square meters. Moreover, the system allows users to control and customize settings remotely from anywhere in the world through a smartphone, offering the convenience of adjusting schedules and accessing a plant library for reference. Number 4. Hazelok Easy Mix 2-in-1. The creators of this composter urges us to give back to nature what nature gave us. Designed with a maximum eco-friendliness in mind, this composter is made up of 90% recycled plastic and is 3 times faster than its competitors. It takes just 6 to 8 weeks to produce compost, and all you need to do is rotate the drum once or twice a week. When the composter is 75% full, you can expect to obtain around 40 to 50 kilograms of compost. As an added bonus, the composter generates liquid fertilizer and collects it in a container which can be easily connected to a garden hose. To get your hands on this eco-friendly wonder, you'll need around $150. Number 3. Makita DCU 604-18V LXT. Makita, the renowned Japanese construction giant, has been in the business for 100 years and has had time to explore the gardening industry. The company has taken the traditional garden wheelbarrow to the next level, turning it into an electric pickup capable of carrying 300 kilograms at once. With 4 speeds for batteries, headlights, a tail lights, a warning beeper, and a weight of 112 kilograms. It's an impressive machine. It can work continuously for about 100 minutes and reach speeds of up to 5 kilometers per hour. Moreover, the power regulator ensures constant speed, even with varying loads, and our protection system cuts off power when the battery charge is low. The price is equally impressive at $5,600. Number 2. BG-Mosquitaire. If you hate mosquitoes, you'll love Iceland. This country is mosquito-free, possibly due to its climate or the unique composition of its soil and water. Meanwhile, residents of other countries have to rely on mosquito control products. Fortunately, there's one available now that imitates our breath and skin scent. It attracts mosquitoes within an impressive area of up to 600 square meters, almost the size of a tennis court. This scientifically proven and patented technology is non-toxic and can be optimally placed in the bushes as long as it's protected from the wind. The price for this product is $200. Number 1. Yarbo. At the Consumer Electronics Show says 2023, you'll find more than just smartphones and ultrabooks. Introducing Yarbo, a hard-working garden robot designed to tackle various tasks throughout the year. Here are the functions it offers: mowing lawns with adjustable height and width settings, removing snow and throwing it up to a distance of 12 meters, and removing leaves and debris with a powerful airflow of 192 kilometers per hour, equivalent to a Category 3 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Yarbo offers 2 hours of lawn mowing, 90 minutes of snow removal, and approximately 50 minutes of leaf and debris cleaning on a single charge. As the user, all you need to do is draw the working area on your smartphone, and the robot will autonomously find the most efficient route. The price of Yarbo varies depending on the module selected. For example, a set with a lawnmower and blower can be purchased for $3,400. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found something helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We'll see you in the next video.